Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I have another unboxing. And yeah, I don't really have anything to say. Let's just get into it. Oops. Sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I am sick, which sucks really bad because my throat is fucking killing me. And I'm probably coughing this video, and I've been sneezing and dying. Yeah, it's always fun. Let's just get into this. Been waiting on this knife because the guy decided to send it through fucking UPS, and UPS is fucking trash. It took it, almost a week and a half to get here. It's fucking ridiculous. Did I not get this all the way open? Guess I didn't. Alright. Let's see. Okay, I don't know how this works. There it is. Oh my god. I guess he didn't want me to get in this fucking knife, because he just taped this to shit. Oh, see, there it is, guys. So where is it? Yep, I think I'm just gonna have to cut down this way. That's how it's made. Okay, there we go. Alright. There's this. Come on, open. And, as you can tell, it is a BRS knife. There's the little BRS business card. And again, with more tape. Why? Getting tired of this shit. Fucking tape everywhere. I haven't had to deal with this much tape doing a fucking unboxing ever. It's annoying. Oh, well, you can already see the top of it. Today, we have a BRS Barebones. It's kind of beat up, but I did trade my Tachyon 3 for it. My Tachyon 3 was super beat up. There's the play on it. Yeah, this is the BRS Barebones. I don't know if any of you guys haven't heard of it, but it's basically the Blade Runner Systems. Sorry again. It's basically the Blade Runner Systems budget Balisong. It's made completely out of steel. 154 cm steel blade, just stainless steel handles. Overall weight's about 5.86 ounces. Pretty hefty, but also very balanced, very neutral, very well, and it's around 10 inches long, like other BRS ballets. Yeah, that's about it. So, I do have another knife to unbox. That video will go up later. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, give the video a like. If you didn't, give the video a dislike. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.